see?
No, it's your own pen. I mean,
Come on, please.
well, you can see it if you can grab.
Sorry. I really thought you were gonna keep it away from me.
Hey, I was trying.
Must be those spaghettios. You should go to my class sometime. Yeah, if you're